Welcome back to the Daily Trading Tip series. In today's tip, automate your trading plan if you can. And I know that some trading plans can't be automated, or maybe you need to have that time in front of the charts to be able to do it. So if you can't do that, maybe try and automate something outside of your trading. The more time you can free up from actually trading, the better, because you're going to have less distractions, potentially more profits as well. So if you can automate parts of your trading, it takes less time for you to think about things and to do every single day, which can free up time to focus on the important things and enjoy things that you want to do outside of trading. And remember, traders, happy trading.